Crystal Mountain School has been continuously working to empower local community primarily through quality education. At the same time, the school is working to create awareness and empower communities towards sustainability. With increasing awareness, students and community members are more open in discussing menstrual hygiene. More and more females from the community are starting to use safe pads, but being very remote and a week far from the capital city, the cost of simple pad is very high, which makes it difficult for all women and students to get access to it. Also, it is not easily available. To solve this problem, we came up with a project to train and empower our students and teachers on making reusable cotton pads. Our aim is to create sustainable and cheaper pads and be self-sustained regarding pads in the school and community.
सेतो माथि उस राख्ने फ्लालिएर राख्ने यसो लाग्ने यता एकदम म देखाइदिन्छु अब हामीले चक्लाको भाग पता हुन्छ है यो यसमा चक्लाउनु पर्यो अनि चक्लाको भाग चाहिँ यता पर्नु पर्यो यहाँनिर छैन यो दिनुहोस् त
यो दुवैसँगै काटेको त्यसरी
यो यसरी राख्नु पर्यो यहाँ सिलाइ हुन्छ अनि पछि मात्रै यो
कभर है
यस्तो गरेर सिलाइन्छ यो चक्लाको लाग्छ अनि त्यसपछि फर्काइन्छ
8 individuals, 6 students and 2 teachers participated in the workshop. The workshop lasted for 4 days and students were trained in making hand-sewed pads as well as machine-sewed pads. We are thankful to Chering Wangmu, our alumni, social health worker, Friends of Nepal organization and Logan Embed for supporting this project. We are also grateful to our Kokroma team for training our students and teachers. The training was fruitful and our students are excited and eager to take these skills to their respective communities.
चाहिँ यो ट्रेनिङ लिँदाखेरि के सिक्यौं भन्दाखेरि फर्स्टमा चाहिँ अब प्याड बनाउने त्योहरु त सिकिहाल्छ अनि प्याड चाहिँ हातले कसरी सिलाउने अनि मेसिन चाहिँ कसरी चलाउने अनि मेसिनको सेटिङहरु अलिअलि कन्सेप्ट चाहिँ आए अनि कटनको टाइप्सहरू अनि प्याडको लेयरहरू चाहिँ कति हुन्छ भनेर थाहा पाएँ।
हाम्रो एम चाहिँ पछि हाम्रो गाउँमा यहाँबाट गाउँमा गएर चाहिँ हाम्रै गाउँको दिदीहरूलाई चाहिँ प्याड कसरी बनाउने भनेर सिकाउने छौँ। अनि स्कुलमा पनि प्याड बनाउने वर्कसपहरू राख्नेछौँ।